So I've built a six-figure portfolio, then life exposed it. Pretty much I lost it. Hard work without ownership has a ceiling. So I thought the answer was just make more money. But making more money the way I was doing it was trading my time for dollars. And I learned making money and keeping money are two different skills. You can make money and still feel trapped. You can invest and still lose without rules. You can know information and still not execute. And I have gone through all three of those scenarios. I have won and I have lost money in the market. If I told you how much money I lost in the market, you guys wouldn't even believe me. But I have lost money. And it was a hard lesson that I needed to learn. Because if you don't learn, you're just on a hamster wheel, just repeating the same thing over and over. They say the definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over again, right? But
Mhm.
also to learn, if your behaviors don't change, then you didn't really learn. So if you're still doing the same thing over and over again, you're not learning. You're just doing a disservice to yourself. So I've made money from the process. I've also lost and broke when I broke my rules. The lesson was clear, rules beat emotions. So I've built a six-figure portfolio, then life exposed it. Pretty much I lost it. And it's because I didn't have a foundation. And when you don't have a foundation, especially a house on a shaky foundation, it'll collapse. So
Oh.
no emergency fund, debt pressure, life happens. The lesson is investing and money management must work together. So that's when the lesson hit me. And investing is not just picking stocks. Investing is money management, risk management, emotional management, and having a system. Stocks is not an intelligence game, it's a systems game. So then I started looking at the market differently and not as a casino, as an ownership system. And great companies have this. They have customers, they have a system, and they generate profit. And the great thing is you can buy into them. I found a system that I use by great investors, and then I adopted it for everyday people. How to find quality companies, wait for better pricing, choose the right strategy, and manage risk before emotions show up. And emotions will wipe out your account faster than anything. That's why it's so important to have a system. Because once you have that system in place, your emotions don't even matter. So the system has produced real wins, including $35,000 trade and student wins. The win came from a process, not random guessing, not hype.
Real quick, if you want to learn how to think through your investments instead of guessing what stocks to buy, I host a live workshop called Think Like an Investor, and it's running this Thursday at 7 p.m. It's a 2-hour live session where I'll walk you through the process I use to research stocks and make better investing decisions. Click the link in the description to reserve your seat.